Oh, hi there! You startled me. I almost didn't see you. Welcome to the Internet of Things. On the Internet. Now, I've missed you all. But, in our extended absence, I've been doing a lot of reading. For instance, you just caught me right in the middle of neural networks for babies. To make sure my skills haven't gone soft, I've been keeping up to date with other titles, such as blockchain for babies, the ABCs of engineering, and if animals kissed goodnight. Now, I bet you're wondering to yourself, when will this bit end and when will he put me out of my misery? So I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Alright, that's more like it. This is the default quarantine look, if you will. So I just wanted to quickly mention that tomorrow's lecture is going to be our first back, as you obviously know. So Monday, March 30th, our first lecture back. This one I'm going to hold on Zoom so that we could do it live if you would like to join. Most lectures, like we talked about before break, will be pre-recorded and uploaded so you can watch them asynchronously. But given that tomorrow's our first lecture back, I just wanted to have the opportunity for you all to be there if you want to be, so that you can ask questions and give feedback as I lay out the rest of the plan for the rest of the semester as we conduct it completely online. So we'll talk about what the quizzes will look like, what the lectures will look like, what the labs and team project will look like, and what all the options are there. So hope to see you on Zoom tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. I'll send out a Zoom meeting invite. And otherwise, if you have any questions, you know where to find me, and hope to see you there.